Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code. In today's video, we discuss about how to create a domain class in Spring Boot. We use some example while creating this domain class. For example, account underscore table. But first, what is a domain class? The domain class which represents the data structure of your database tables and help mapping between the database and your application. For example, if we have an application and if we have table, the table will represent as entity in our application. If you take account underscore table, we'll create some fields, ID, first name, last name, email, and about and mobile number. This is the table we are taking example. Let's go to the implementation part, how we can implement a combined class in Spring Boot application. Let's go to the IntelliJ, open Spring Boot application. This is a pay.gradle file. Let's create one class entity under entity folder account. We need to add a delete entity annotation at the top for all domain classes and table, which represents or it represents account underscore table. Let's import alt enter. If you click alt enter, it will import directly. No, do we have any problem? Yeah, let's adjust it. Now table, yeah, it's coming. Yeah, table. So let's create. So it is drawing down. We need to represent the primary key. So let's go private long ID and delete annotation ID, which is the primary key, and generated sequence. Let's enter the tab to represent the primary key and private string first name and private string last name and private string email and private string about and private string phone number. Let's add a delete column at the top of everything and name equal to first name, first underscore name, which is exactly mapped to the table, particular table, and column at delete string equal to last underscore name, and at delete column name equal to about. Similarly, we do for all these for each and every domain class. This is the process for every domain class if we create any domain class. And and now let's go and check the table whether we have represented the same or not. Like this, we have to create for all the tables in application. There will be many more tables out there, and we can use some of the annotations like at the rate getter, at the rate setter, and at the rate all of constructor, at the rate data annotation. Without creating lot of logic, we can simply use the annotations. This is how we can create the command class. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.